Welcome to online classes, Government High School, Paikurapeta. Physical Sciences, Class 9th, Chapter 1, Motion, Part 1. In this video, students will be able to know the meaning of the word relative and the definition of motion. Motion of people, motion of vehicles, motion of trains, motion of birds, etc. We know that it is due to the motion of the earth that phenomena like sunrise, sunset, changes in the seasons, etc. occur. To understand motion, we need to understand the meaning of the word relative, which plays an important role in explaining motion. What is relative? We use many statements in our daily life to express our views. The meaning of a statement depends on the context in which it is made. Similarly, there are many exist other situations in our daily life where we use statements having meaning depending upon the situation. Here, situation right and left. As shown in the figure, two persons A and B are moving opposite to each other on a road. Here the question is, on which side of the road is the house? It is on the right side or on the left side of the road? There are two answers for above question. For person A, the house is on the right and for the person B, the house is on the left. Thus the position of the house is relative to the observer. Clearly, when speaking of left and right by a person, he has to assume a direction based on which he can decide his left and right sides. Now, let us observe another situation, up and down. Can orientations like up and down be same for all persons at all places? No. Here we have a diagram. For the person standing at A on the globe, his position appears up and the orientation of the person standing at B appears down. But for the person standing at B, it appears exactly opposite. Similarly, for the person standing at the position C and D, the directions of up and down are not same. They change with the point of observation on the globe. Here we know that Earth is a sphere. The upward direction of the vertical position on its surface depends upon the place on the Earth's surface where the vertical is drawn. Hence, the notations up and down have no meaning unless the point on Earth's surface to which they refer is defined. Similarly, the words like longer and shorter also relative words. To understand the idea of motion, let us take the following hypothetical activity. The conversation between Srinu and Somesh who stand beside a road as shown in the figure. Srinu asked the question, what is the state of motion of the tree? Somesh, it is at rest. Srinu asked again, what is the state of motion of the car? Somesh replied, it is moving due east. Again, Srinu asked, what is the state of motion of the driver and the passenger in the car? Somesh replied, they are also moving like the car. Srinu asked, how do you decide that the car, the passenger and the driver are moving? Somesh said that, with respect to us, the position of the car, the passenger and the driver are changing with the time, so they are in motion. Here, we shall observe another discussion between passenger and the driver. Here the driver asked, "What is the state of motion of the tree?" Passenger replied, "It is moving due west." Driver, "What is the state of motion of both the persons beside the road?" Then passenger replied that they are also moving due west. Driver asked again, "What is my state of motion?" Then passenger replied, "You are at rest." Driver asked again, "What is the state of motion of the car?" Then passenger replied, "It is at rest." From above discussion, it is clear that the tree is at rest with respect to Somesh and it is moving due west with respect to passenger. By going through this, we can define the term motion. The motion or rest of an object depends on the observer. So, motion is a combined property of observer and the body which is being observed. Finally, we can define motion. Motion. A body is said to be in motion when its position is changing continuously with time relative to an observer. For better understanding of the concept, you need to do some home assignment. Here, 3 questions I have given. I hope everyone will do this home assignment. Thank you.